Many of you are still feeling financial stress, and we want to help you make the best money decisions for you and your families. Some Americans are turning to payday loans for a quick, easy way to get some cash. But as our Patrick Nelson explains, you should be cautious, and there are some things you may want to consider first.
As many Americans struggle to pay their bills, fast cash from a payday loan may seem tempting. But I learned thousands of consumers filed complaints with the Better Business Bureau in the last year, saying the experience wasn't exactly what they expected, and in some cases, they were left in a worse situation. Payday loans can be helpful and put much needed cash in your hands, but the experts tell us you've got to read the fine print.
So I think that while this might be an option, I think it's your last option. So I would just kind of caution people to read the fine print, really make sure this is something that they want to do, and just really make sure they're paying attention to what those rates are.
Those rates were such a concern for Colorado voters that back in 2018, voters approved Proposition 111, which reduced the interest rate on payday loans to 36%. It also eliminated all other finance charges and fees associated with payday lending. Even with these protections, Colorado Springs licensed counselor and mental health expert Sarah Carell says with what's going on in the world today, anxiety can get in the way of making good decisions and can leave people especially vulnerable who are facing financial struggles.
When we have a very uncertain future, everybody has some form of anxiety. I would bet my license on it.
So how should we address that anxiety?
If we can get into the present and stop focusing on the future, then we can make decisions based on logic and not emotion.
Anyone who feels they've been taken advantage of by a payday lender should contact the Colorado Attorney General's office right away to file a complaint.
We get a lot of complaints, and about 2,500 for the nation right now this past year, of just people really kind of questioning, really what kind of goes into it in terms of the rates.
Tonight at 10, we'll have more from our mental health expert on managing that anxiety to help you make the best financial decisions during this tough time. Plus, some phone calls you may want to make before you consider taking out that payday loan. Always watching out for you. Patrick Nelson, News 5.
And for more on this story, download the News 5 app from Apple and the Google Play stores. There you can also find more The Rebound Colorado content. And send us your ideas for The Rebound Colorado. If you need help or want to share the creative ways you're moving forward, email us, rebound@koaa.com.